Here is what cello maker Chris Dungey had to say about RhinoCAM.
So I talked to a couple of other colleagues at a workshop who were also looking into CNCing, and we had all pretty much established that Rhino was probably the best program for our needs. Then one of my colleagues said, why buy another piece of software and you have to learn how to, learn that software? Why don't you just get something that incorporates Rhino?
Mm-hmm.
And of course, RhinoCAM is the obvious choice. So that's what led me to RhinoCAM, because it was like, okay, that'll work within Rhino. So it's not like I have to do my modeling in Rhino, close it up, and then throw it over into some other, CAM program. After the first hour of training time, I was just in awe of what I learned in that 1 hour. And so I would highly, highly recommend to anybody that came to me and said, oh, I'm looking at CNCing, and and I would highly recommend RhinoCAM because of the training that your company offers.
Thanks, Chris.